Hey, and welcome back to my channel. Well, I am bringing an update that happened to me with Ruko, with the last drone that I purchased on this video. And Ruko decided to reach out to me after I made that review. And they said they want to make it right for me and they want to restore my confidence on their product. And guess what they did, guys? They sent me this U11 Mini 4K. I was shocked. I couldn't believe it. They just offered me this drone. And also give me my money back on the F11 that I purchased. I was able to return it because the remote didn't want it to start, and that's the reason why I returned it. I was disappointed. So anyway, so they sent this to me to make it up to me, and also got my money back from them. I was very shocked. They did all that for me. I still can't believe it. This one right here is better than the F11 Pro that I got from them. You got the screen right on the remote, and it's the new one. They just came out, guys. This drone right here is $660, and Ruko just sent it to me, guys. Send it to me for free. Just to make me happy for the inconvenience that I went to with the F11 Pro that I purchased. So I was just like, I was waiting to open the drone here in front of you guys so I can share this experience with you guys and how happy I am that at least there's companies out there that stand up for for their customers, and the customer service with Ruko company, it was amazing. I still can't believe they did that, but I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, and we're gonna see what we got. I am so excited, guys, because I was not going to buy another drone after that one. And to get the DJI with all these things that are happening now, I think they're making them illegal to own or something like that. I'm not 100% sure. Maybe if you know more about it, you can tell me what really happened. But that's what I heard on the news. So anyhow, so I was not even thinking about buying another drone. I was just like, the hell with it. You know what I mean? I just drove. I flew it for that time, and then that same day I came home, the remote didn't want to start. So right there, we're gonna open up the new U11 Mini 4K. Man, and this is like this drone right here is supposed to be even better than the F11 F11 Pro. So my God, what's going on with this box? I don't want to tear up the box. Oh no, let me got a little bit of tape right here in the corners. They make this crap child-proof. My Lord. All right, so there we go. We're gonna go ahead and take it out of the box. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and take the drone out of the bag. It comes in a really nice case, just like the F11 Pro. I am freaking so excited to fly this drone. And I can tell you right now, I know every time I have my drones, I always be, with a really high anxiety because of me crashing it or losing it or getting disconnected and all that. Yeah, these drones are pretty high in technology, guys. So they're pretty smart. I seen when just say if your remote will turn off, and they will get disconnected, or by any chance your battery died, this drones will fly back to the same location they took off. So, you know, the technologies on these drones are amazing. So we're going to go ahead and open the case right here. It comes with instructions. Nice little padding on it. Here comes the remote. And this is the part right here that I am so freaking excited. I'm still can't believe that Ruko just sent this to me for free. I'm telling you, I was shocked. I told my friend, I was like, I don't think that's gonna happen, and we were just like, yeah, you know, like you crossing your fingers. There we go. I'm starting the remote. Start it up, man. What a nice unit. What a really nice unit. I'm really impressed of their customer service. And anyway, guys, let's go ahead and continue opening up the drone and see, check it out, because this design is different than the F11 Pro. This drone is supposed to be a whole lot different. So you can see, believe it says 60. You can get 60 minutes per battery. This one right here is smaller than the F11 Pro. Maybe because it's black, you can really tell much, but it is. It really is. So, man, I'm telling you, I can't believe that, you know, what a company will, you know, stand up for their name and send you a drone just to keep you happy and give you your money back from the one that was defected. Yeah, that's what Ruko did for me, and that's freaking awesome, because there's not a lot of companies will do that. You know what I mean? You purchase electronics and they go bad, and you pretty much lost your money. So I gotta say thank you, Ruko, for what you did. Confidence with their company is very grateful, and I'm very happy. So yeah, guys, this is just to show you this, you know, that a company like this at least was, you know, back up for their product. And if you ever have any problem with any Ruko products or anything like that, it would probably be a good idea to give customer service a call.